Hey babies, it's your girl Sash. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Also go on some of my previous videos to get familiar with me. So in today's video, I'll be partnering with Dossier. I've been doing my most complimented fragrances and last minute gifts you can give for your family and your friends throughout this holiday season. Before we get into the actual video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you're looking to becoming that girl or you're already that girl, smelling good should always be one of your #1 priorities. And of course, I'm gonna always put the girlies on. As I stated before, I'll be introducing you guys to some of my most complimented fragrances. Fragrances I've probably mentioned before because these are my all-time faves and some newbies that have joined the group. So the first one is Flora and it is inspired by Marc Jacob Daisy. So if you're looking for a floral feminine scent, this will be perfect for you. If you want to leave your impression everywhere you go, if you want to be walking and people be asking, girl, what are you using? Clock it, like you need to get this fragrance. Marc Jacob Daisy is a fragrance I've known for quite some time. I've used the original before and let me tell you, the Dossier one definitely lasts longer to me, and once I go anywhere they can easily identify that that's the fragrance I'm wearing. Who doesn't love a fragrance where everywhere you go you get mad compliments about it? Who doesn't want to be that girl where everywhere you go people is like, girl, what are you wearing? The next fragrance I'll be putting you guys onto is Fruity Brown Sugar, and it is inspired by YSL Vampire. So let me tell you, when you think about bold, elegant, classy, this is the fragrance that should come to mind. I've tried this Dossier fragrance multiple times and it's one that's always been on my list because it's one of my all-time fave. Yeah, go to everyday fragrance. I'm running errands, I'm going grocery shopping, every single thing is just that scent that's so convenient, but everywhere you go it's still giving off bold, it's giving off, you smell so good. Like, yeah, this is my ideal fragrance. Doesn't matter what I'm doing, where I'm going, I can always spray this fragrance and know that's okay, girl, you're gonna smell good for the entire day. Also, it's giving boss girl scent. As I stated before, it lasts super duper long, so even if you spray this in the morning, in the night when you're home, you're still gonna smell this really strong on your clothes, on your body. Like, it's just a really nice fragrance and it's fruity. I love me a fruity scent. Like, love me a fruity scent. I love smelling like a whole meal or a little snack. So this is also one of my go-to and I get a lot of compliments on this fragrance. The next one is Amber Saffron. You guys have heard me speak about this fragrance so many times because baby, I love it. Okay, love it. It's inspired by Baccarat. One Ask Your Girl is in your group chat what that scent is giving. When you talk about rich, bold, bossy, that girl, yeah, it's like a Baccarat. This has been my all-time favorite. It does give luxury and perfect when it comes down to layering. So I can layer this fragrance with a YSL, a regular Bath and Body Works, and it will still be eating. Okay, eating. I've owned over probably 10 bottles of these from Dossier because once they're out, I constantly re-up. Like, this is my favorite. Like, I've been out multiple times and people be like, what are you using, Baccarat? And I'm like, yeah, girl, like. For me personally, I think this scent is like unisex. I would definitely give this to a guy. And this is one fragrance I know anyone would appreciate. It doesn't matter the gender. So let me tell you, girl, like, you need to add this to your list because it is tea. Like, smells so good, lasts so long. Yeah, this fragrance is just so bold and it just gives everything it's supposed to give. The next one is Flora on his knuckle and it's inspired by Gucci Bloom. This scent is like a signature scent that is so good. Like, it have bold notes which I really love. For us who don't know, this fragrance has been released for quite a few years but I stay on top because of how nice it is. I love it. If you're doing like a chill thing, like a brunch, you're going out with your girlies, this is a perfect scent for you. And as I said, feel free to add any one of these fragrances to your list of gifts you can give someone for the holiday. and also fragrances you can get for yourself, because they're all about upgrading the collection. And I personally feel like each and every one of you should invest in yourself. Like, let me tell you, you should always make yourself a priority, and you should always want the best of the best for yourself. And remember, these fragrances from Dossier doesn't cost big bucks. Like, comparing to the prices of the original, you can get these at a very low price, and they're still giving luxury, still giving it girls, still giving body on a budget, because you're smelling good, and people out there will be thinking that you're rocking the original when only if they know that you're wearing Dossier, because the quality is still top tier and it's giving the same iconic scent. So the last one is with the Haute Masse, and it is inspired by Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. So if you're a Chanel girl and you don't have this fragrance, I don't know what you were doing, baby. You definitely need to add this to your list of fragrance, because it's one of a kind. Lasts so long, like so long, and smells so good. You need this fragrance. It's a fragrance that grew on me over a period of time, because initially when I tried it, I was like, and then when I smelled the original, I was like, But then after owning the Dossier version and layering it with other fragrances and trying it again by itself, I was like, this smells really good. Because sometimes we'll smell some fragrances and they take some time to grow on us, especially if it has certain base notes that aren't really your favorite. Because for me, I love a fruity scent. Like, you can always win me with a fruity scent. So if it's not fruity, sometimes I'll be like, But then this is a fragrance, as I said, that grew on me over a period of time, and it definitely became one of my favorites. Like, I literally bought the original and gave it away as a gift and kept my Dossier because it's tea. And for me personally, Dossier fragrances last really long compared to the original. I own a lot of original designer fragrances, and I have the Dossier version, and the Dossier to me is just giving. So if you want to save big bucks this holiday, not just on yourself but with buying gifts for families and friends, I would definitely recommend checking out Dossier for designer quality, iconic scents. If you need inexpensive gifts with good quality, you guys know exactly where to go. If I have a discount code, it'll be right here on the screen. All information about Dossier will be down in my description box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of my most complimented fragrances. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.